How to create wholesale order form. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create wholesale order form. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And in creating a wholesale order form, we're going to use JotForm, in which to create an account on JotForm, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission with no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you will also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is JotForm, it is an online form builder that enables users to create customized forms for various purposes such as surveys, registrations, and order forms, in which it offers a user-friendly interface that allows individuals and businesses to design forms without needing extensive technical knowledge. And users can incorporate various elements including text fields, multiple choice questions, and drop-down menus to gather specific information from respondents. And now to create an account, you could also click the link in the description or click the sign up for free button where you can sign up using your Google or Microsoft account and email. And after signing in, you'll be able to be directed on this page right here, in which this is basically what the dashboard looks like of jotform.com. And on the left side panel, it will show you a variety of options that you can start navigating, such as all forms, create folder, create theme, and many more. However, to start creating a form, just proceed by clicking this create form button, in which upon clicking on it, from here, all you need to do is to simply select either to start from scratch or even to use template, to import form, or even create a signable document. But in those options, I'm going to choose to use first this use template. And upon clicking on it, we'll be able to be directed on this page, in which it will show us a variety of template that we can choose. With here product order, template, customer registration form, course registration form, and many more. But to search for wholesale order template, just proceed by clicking on the search bar and kindly enter wholesale order. Then from here, it will show us a variety of template about wholesale product order form. But I'm going to choose this one, the first one, in which upon clicking on it, it will show us the overview of what this form all about or contents. So as you can see here, you can simply scroll down to see what kind of information it contains and also the description of it. So for instance, I'm going to scroll down in here with your company name, shipping information, order details, and it is also signable. And now to proceed, just click this use template button on the top right corner, and upon clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed on this page right here. And from here, as you can see, we're currently under the build section, in which we can start building or customizing some of this information or content. Or from here, we could also simply customize by simply clicking to any of this content. For instance, this logo, by double clicking here, it will show us on the right side panel the logo properties, where we could also start removing the logo and change the logo depending on your preferences. Then from here, you could simply double click to any of these contexts in order to customize this one. For instance, I'm going to add here a subheader, and to do that, I'm going to enter sample. And below, you could also do the same thing, which is by customizing or by simply clicking to any of these elements or content. And as you can see upon clicking, you could also start customizing or deleting depending on your preferences. And to add more, just click this add form element on the left side button, and it will show you a basic contents or elements such as signature, product list, short text, long text, paragraph, and many more. But since this is a template, it will show us a variety here, all of the context mostly that needed for a wholesale product form. But for instance, this payment method, we're going to change this by clicking this delete button or remove button in here. We could simply replace this kind of payment method by choosing under this payment section right here, such as for instance we have here Stripe, PayPal, and many more. But I'm going to choose, for example, PayPal Personal and dragging it in here. And after that, it will show you on the right side panel that all you need to do to set up your payment option in here is to simply connect or link your account on PayPal by entering here your PayPal account email address, choose the currency, and also select the payment type. Then click the continue button to proceed. Or alternatively, you could also delete this one if you want to. Or we could also simply remove this section right here. Moving on, aside from that, you could also add here a different kind of widgets with here form calculation, signature, data grid, add option, and many more. But for instance, we're going to add here this inventory, in which we can track our inventory of a product in here, including a description, a product image that we can add, the available quantity, and many more. And now to proceed, if you are now done, you can now proceed by clicking this publish button or section, in which you'll be able to click share or share this kind of form to others directly copy the embed code, assign this form, send it via email, download as PDF, and many more. And as you can see, we could also simply copy this link and paste it on the next tab, in which it will show in here what the customer will see if they try to purchase or fill out this form in here. So this is basically what they will see and what they need to fill out in order to sign up or create a wholesale product order. But moving on, that is just the other way on creating or making a wholesale order form by using a template. To create from scratch, you can simply go back on this page right here. Then just click create form button, and after that, it will show you in here some of the other options, but kindly choose the start from scratch. Upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to simply select your layout. As you can see, I just choose this classic form, and you will be directed on this page, in which all you need to do is to upload your organization logo and your organization name. Then proceed by clicking the next button below to proceed. And now it will show you under this form a blank page. For example, I'm going to enter here this form, wholesale order form. Then below for the content, we're going to choose some other elements on the left side panel, from basics such as the full name, email, address, phone number, and any other basic information that needed for the customer to fill out all of this required information. You could also add here a product list, and all we need to do is simply customize on the right side panel to add or create a product if you want to, enter or change this name, some other details upon clicking this edit section or button. From here, you can add or change the description, the price, the image, and even the title of it. So for its name, for example, I'm going to enter here t-shirt. And for the price, I'm just going to keep it that way, which is $10. Now going back in here, as you can see, it is now currently customized. Then we could also add here a different kind of product and also customize the details about it, including the product name, description, and even some of its details. And on the left side panel, we're going to add other kind of elements, such as the signature right here below, by simply dragging it in here. And also we can add here a widgets of inventory in order to track our inventory quantity by going on the search bar and kindly search inventory and drag it in here. So basically, it is so simple in order to create a wholesale form using JotForm from scratch, since all you need to do is to simply drag and drop any other kind of elements that you want to in here. And if you're now done adding some of the elements and arranging them, we can now proceed by clicking the settings section by clicking this one. And on the left side panel, we could also start navigating the condition and other form settings before we click this publish section, where we can share the form using quick share or even the embed code through email, refill, assign form, and many more. And now to see what it looks like when a customer tries to fill out this form, we can simply click this open in new tab button, and we will be able to be directed on the next tab, in which we will be able to see here what it looks like. So this is basically the wholesale form that we just created from scratch. But you can add more elements depending on your preferences. But overall, that is just basically how you can create wholesale order form. Thank you.